Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your Instagram problem will limit how often. So first thing you can just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. So after you can try to restore your device, so just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find general. In the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And also you can try to check your internet connection, so just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Open mobile data or cellular data, just turn it off and turn on again. So after you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after you can try to update your Instagram app, so just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.